may or might in sentences. Use of may for taking permission, अनुमति लेने के लिए। क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit here? May I sit here? क्या मैं यह ले सकता हूँ? May I take it? May I take it? क्या मैं जान सकता हूँ क्यों? May I know why? May I know why? Use of may for giving permission, अनुमति देने के लिए। आप अंदर आ सकते हैं। You may come in. You may come in. आप उसे रद्द कर सकते हो। You may cancel it. You may cancel it. तुम पूछ सकते हो। You may ask. You may ask. आप परीक्षा में फिर से बैठ सकते हो। You may appear for exam once again. You may appear for exam once again. Use of may to express wish or prayer, इच्छा या प्रार्थना करने के लिए। ईश्वर आपके साथ रहे। May God be with you. May God be with you. आप पूरी जिंदगी खुश और समृद्ध रहें। May you be happy and reach whole life. May you be happy and reach whole life. Use of may to express possibility, संभावना बताने के लिए। हो सकता है वह आपकी मदद न करे। He may not help you. He may not help you. कोर्ट उसे जमानत दे सकती है। कोर्ट में grant him a bail. कोर्ट में grant him a bail. छात्र जीन्स नहीं पहन सकते। Students may not wear jeans. Students may not wear jeans. Use of may to curse, अभिशाप देने के लिए। भगवान आपको मृत कर दे। May God strike you dead. May God strike you dead. भगवान आपको बुरा वक्त दिखाए। May God show you hard time. May God show you hard time. Use of may to express motive, हेतु दर्शाने के लिए। वह कड़ी मेहनत कर रही है ताकि वह परीक्षा में टॉप कर सके। She is studying hard so that she may top the exam. She is studying hard so that she may top the exam. वह उन्हें झूठ बोलने के लिए रिश्वत दे सकता है। He may bribe them to lie. He may bribe them to lie. Use of may be, passive voice. आपको दोषी ठहराया जा सकता है। You may be convicted. You may be convicted. मुझे पुरस्कार दिया जा सकता है। I may be rewarded. I may be rewarded. उसे पदोन्नति दी जा सकती है। He may be promoted. He may be promoted. यूज ऑफ मे बी, संभावना। वह बच्चे का पिता हो सकता है। He may be the father of the baby. He may be the father of the baby. मैं वहाँ हो सकता हूँ। I may be there. I may be there. Use of may be, कल्पना में, in imagination. वे अपराधियों की मदद कर रहे होंगे। They may be helping the criminals. They may be helping the criminals. आप ग्रामीणों को उकसा रहे होंगे, किसे पता। You may be provoking the villagers. Who knows? You may be provoking the villagers. Who knows? Use of may have, भूतकाल में कल्पना, imagination in past. उन्होंने आत्मसमर्पण किया हो सकता है। They may have surrendered. They may have surrendered. क्या आपको लगता है कि उसने शेयर बेचे होंगे? Do you think he may have sold the shares? Do you think he may have sold the shares? किसने उनकी मदद की होगी? Who may have helped them? Who may have helped them? उसने दूसरी कंपनी को अपनी तकनीक बेची होगी। He may have sold his technology to another company. He may have sold his technology to another company. क्या आपको विश्वास है कि उसने उससे शादी नहीं की होगी? Do you believe she may have not married him? Do you believe she may not have not married him? वे दोनों काम के लिए एक साथ हो सकते हैं। They both may have clubbed together for work. They both may have clubbed together for work. वह चोरी के हीरो के साथ गायब हो गई होगी। She may have disappeared with stolen diamonds. She may have disappeared with stolen diamonds. Use of may have been, passive sentences. आप उनसे जुड़े रहे होंगे। You may have been associated with them. You may have been associated with them. हो सकता है वह उन जगहों में से कुछ पर हो आया हो। He may have been to some of those places. He may have been to some of those places. हो सकता है कि बैंक कर्मचारी की मदद से लूट को अंजाम दिया गया हो। The robbery may have been carried out with the help of a bank employee. The robbery may have been carried out with the help of a bank employee. इंसानी गलती विमान दुर्घटना का एक प्रमुख कारण हो सकती है। Human error may have been a prime cause of plane crash. Human error may have been a prime cause of plane crash. शायद ट्रेन्स रोक दी गई होगी। Trains may have been stopped. Trains may have been stopped. शायद उसे 10 साल की सजा दी गई होगी। He may have been sentenced for 10 years. He may have been sentenced for 10 years. शायद ही, use of might. We use might when we are not sure about something in the present or future. वो शायद ही आपकी मदद करे। He might help you. He might help you. मैं कल आपको मिल सकता हूँ। I might see you tomorrow. I might see you tomorrow. आज बारिश नहीं हो सकती। It might not rain today. It might not rain today. क्या हम आपसे एक सवाल पूछ सकते हैं? Might we ask you a question? Might we ask you a question? शायद इससे आपकी मदद न हो। It might not help you. It might not help you. इससे थोड़ी तकलीफ हो सकती है। It might pain a bit. It might pain a bit. Use of might be. यह अच्छा लग रहा है, लेकिन यह बहुत महंगा हो सकता है। It looks nice, but it might be very expensive. It looks nice, but it might be very expensive. हम अधिक लोगों को काम पर रख सकते हैं। We might be hiring more people. We might be hiring more people. Use of might have. वे अब तक आ गए होंगे। They might have arrived by now. They might have arrived by now. फ्लाइट अब तक उतर गई होगी। Flight might have landed by now. Flight might have landed by now. उन्होंने शायद आज तक किराया नहीं दिया होगा। They might not have paid the rent by today. They might not have paid the rent by today. Use of might have been. हो सकता है कि आपका पत्र पोस्ट में खो गया हो। Your letter might have been lost in the post. Your letter might have been lost in the post. शायद वह झूठ बोलती रही होगी। She might have been lying. She might have been lying. यह और भी बुरा हो सकता था। It might have been worse. It might have been worse. दोस्तों, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर ज़रूर करें। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें ताकि हमारी आने वाली वीडियो का आपको पता चल सके और ये एकदम मुफ्त है। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब।